Our correspondent Shuja ul Haq will be joining us very shortly for more details on this latest speech by Omar Abdullah in the State Assembly. But as we told you, Omar Abdullah this time promising to get the Armed Forces Special Powers Act revoked during his tenure as Chief Minister. I'm told Shuja is now with us. Shuja, coming across to you, a big promise by Omar Abdullah. He's promised to get it revoked within the tenure.
Well, that's right, and that is the big question here. This entire debate was started by him only 2 years back when he, came out and said that there was no need of Armed Forces Special Powers Act in certain places in Jammu and Kashmir, and he would work for its revocation. Omar Abdullah, in his speech made on Saturday in the Assembly, actually went ahead and said that he had convinced the then Home Minister P. Chidambaram on revocation of Armed Forces Special Powers Act, but it was the Defence Minister and the Defence Ministry which stood against it, and that's why they could not go ahead with the plan of revocation of Armed Forces Special Powers Act. But now, the statement that he has made that it will gradually go, the act will gradually go through in his tenure only, and the tenure that he is right now in, which means he's talking about at least next 5 to 6 months, because the elections in Jammu and Kashmir are due in and around September this year. So he's basically pointing towards the fact that by the time September comes, there would be gradual revocation of Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Now, we'll have to see what is his basis on which he is actually basing this entire argument on. If the Defence Ministry is against the Armed Forces Special Powers Act being revoked from this place, how is he going to gradually withdraw it from Jammu and Kashmir? So these are big questions that he'll have to answer. But yes, with this statement that Omar Abdullah has already made, he has once again started a controversy over this act between the army and the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Shuja, many thanks for getting us those perspectives there from Jammu and Kashmir. Omar Abdullah making a big promise, and as Shuja said, big questions being asked about how he is going to actually put that into effect.